Hello, Professor. My name is Mambo Chisenga. My BIN ID is 01647625. In this video, I did not corroborate with anybody. Today, we'll be looking at whether the claim made by the Writing Center is correct about the students who go to the Writing Center having a higher final grade compared to those who do not go to the Writing Center. We'll first begin look at by looking at the amount of students in each group, the mean and the standard deviation. Here you go to summary stats, columns, find a grade in the writing course, group that by does student use the writing center. You compute that, and this is what you get: the number of students who do not go to the writing center, which is 3,307. The mean of the group is 2.684 rounded, and the standard deviation is 1.396. And for those who do go to the writing center, the number of students is 0.6. The mean for that group is 3.245. The standard deviation is 0.639 rounded. All these numbers are rounded. And then you would use all this information into the t-stat. You two samples with summary, because you already have all your information. The first sample we'll be using here is the students who do go to the writing center. The mean is 3.245. The standard deviation for the group is 0.639. The sample size is 206. And for the sample number 2 is for those who do not go to the writing center. The mean is 2.684. Standard deviation is 1.396. Sample size is 307. And for the hypothesis test is that the alternative is that the students who do go to the writing center have a higher final grade compared to those who do not. And you subtract the mean from the first sample to the mean in the second sample, you get is 0.562, and you compute that, and this is what you get. Here you get the mean of population 1, the mean of population 2, which is the students who do go to the writing center, and those who do not go to the writing center. And here is the difference between the means and the standard error. And you'd also get the t-stat, but what we're focusing on is the p-value, which is 0.9919. And one thing that needs to put in consideration is that, my assumptions that needs to be put into consideration is that the sample size for the students who do not go to writing center was the same as those who do go. I believe that the mean and the standard deviation and the sample size would have been closer in range, but because of the big difference in the sample size comparing the two groups, cannot give you the correct cannot give you correct you cannot come up with a good hypothesis whether if this is true or not. And my conclusion on the t-test and the mean, the standard deviation and sample size is yes, indeed, that those who do go to the writing center have a higher final grade compared to those who do not.